In the present method, sum of geometric progression formula derivation start by multiplying denominator part of the answer to the question. Here is the tricks. Normally questions contain answer as numerator and denominator. So if you multiply questions to the denominator, you will get numerator. So question will be equal to question into denominator divided by denominator. So numerator divided by denominator. This is the answer. So present method questions are taken and it was multiplied and divided by r minus 1. So in the subtraction calculations, if you directly subtract ar minus ar square minus ar, you won't get the answer. Tricks also used to do the subtraction calculation. So you will get the answer as a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Here you need to ask the teacher where you get the r minus 1 in this derivation. So sum of geometric progression derivations in the present method is a fake derivations. The only correct derivations is the Raghavendra's analysis, which gives the solutions using calculations on the given questions without taking the answer before.